Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Proton calendar step by step. Sharing your calendar makes it easy to coordinate schedules with family members, friends, or coworkers while maintaining Proton's strong privacy and security features. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar in your web browser or mobile app and sign into your Proton account. Once your calendar loads, locate the calendar you want to share from the sidebar or calendar list. Next, open the calendar settings or click the More Options menu next to the calendar's name. Look for the Share or Sharing option and select it to manage who can access your calendar. Now, enter the Proton email address of the person you want to share the calendar with. You can usually choose their permission level, such as allowing them to view your calendar only or edit events if you want them to help manage your schedule. After selecting the appropriate permissions, send the invitation. The recipient will receive a sharing invitation, and once they accept it, the shared calendar will appear in their Proton Calendar account automatically. Keep in mind that the available sharing options may vary depending on your Proton plan and the version of Proton Calendar you're using. If a feature isn't available, check for app updates or review your account's available features. Finally, if you ever need to stop sharing the calendar, return to the sharing settings, select the person you shared it with, and remove their access. Your changes will take effect after they're saved, and that's it. You now know how to share a Proton calendar and collaborate with others while keeping your schedule organized and secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.